baby cow is called calf. A baby goat is called kid. A baby sheep is called lamb. A baby dog is called puppy. A baby cat is called kitten. A baby horse is called foal. A baby hen is called chick. A baby duck is called duckling. A baby buffalo is called calf. A baby rabbit is called both. A baby camel is called calf. A baby elephant is called calf. A baby pigeon is called squab. A baby parrot is called chick. A baby goosey is called gosling. A baby turkey is called poult. A baby catfish is called fry. A baby bee is called both. A baby silkworm is called both. A baby swan is called cygnet. A baby owl is called owlet. A baby deer is called fawn. A baby frog is called tadpole and froglet both. A baby hamster is called pup.